250 million. That's the number of hours Gerber's cutting systems have been producing parts since the company invented automated cutting decades ago. Billions of cut parts, used to manufacture millions of products for nearly 25,000 customers in 130 countries around the world. Today, as cutting operations race to stay one step ahead of the demands of their customers, Gerber introduces a revolutionary new system that will change the landscape of automated cutting.
When we set out to create Paragon, we interviewed hundreds of customers to find out what their needs were. And what we learned was that customers want a cutting system that's easy to use, easy to maintain, and capable of cutting the highest quality parts the first time. So we took our 45 years of experience as a baseline and added another 70,000 hours of the most experienced engineering minds in the cutting business and came up with Paragon. But we didn't stop there. We embedded business-critical metrics into the system to give operators and cutting room managers the information they need to analyze and continually improve their operations. That's why with Paragon, you don't just cut better, you take every aspect of your business to an entirely new level.
Imagine producing best-in-class quality cut parts at maximum throughput after just a few hours of training. Imagine operating a highly advanced, easy-to-use interface that simplifies cutting, maximizes uptime, and ensures flawlessly cut parts the first time, every time. Imagine using real-time metrics that matter to understand and improve your cutting process from beginning to end. Imagine Paragon. Paragon's advanced engineering takes the variability out of cutting.
Paragon has over 150 sensors where we're monitoring everything from knife alignment to motor speeds to knife temperature to motor currents. What this allows us to do is make decisions in real time where we can take and adjust parameters in the background. So we're making corrective action before an issue becomes a problem.
Paragon safeguards your business by eliminating issues with cut quality and enabling you to meet even the most challenging delivery commitments. Reports that were once difficult and time-consuming to analyze are now accessible with a single click, giving managers access to critical data that helps them eliminate inefficiency in the process. And Paragon's integration with Gerber's AccuMark CAD and automated spreading systems means even more time savings. Simply input a work order in AccuMark, and it calculates the optimal spread and cut plan. Downstream, spreader and cutter operators scan a barcode to retrieve the job-specific parameters. There's no need to search for a file and manually enter details like ply count and material type. This improves throughput, minimizes errors, and enables managers to track work in progress with confidence.
What we've done with Paragon is really taken a look at all of the points of contact that the user needs to come into and made those points of contact much easier to get around from a maintenance standpoint, from an adjustment standpoint. We've really tried to eliminate as many adjustments as possible to make it so that the user gets consistent cut quality parts every time, because we've made it simple by design.
At the heart of the Paragon system is KERI, Gerber's proprietary knowledge, experience, and reference interface. The interface is intuitive, easy to use, and requires only minimal training, meaning not only do you get better performance, you get it right away. KERI is intelligent, capable of guiding operators through the entire cutting process. The operator simply chooses the job, and KERI does the rest. It adjusts cutting parameters automatically, based on the type of material, the height of the spread, and the geometry of the parts. KERI simplifies setup and minimizes idle time between jobs. Built-in wizards make it easy for anyone, regardless of experience level, to expertly cut parts the first time around. And with the help of Gerber's experienced sales and service consultants, integrating Paragon into your cutting operation is easy. With Gerber Connect, Gerber's remote monitoring and diagnostic system, you have the world's most experienced and knowledgeable technicians at your service to help you maximize the uptime of your cutting system.
We've sold over 10,000 cutters over the years, but we don't just sell cutters. Our applications, service, and support professionals around the world work side by side with our customers every day, helping them find ways to maximize the returns they get on their cutting technology investments. It's the best way we know to encourage you to turn to Gerber as your business evolves and grows.
Are you ready for a cutting system your competitors will envy and your customers will demand? Are you ready to dramatically improve the profitability of your business? Are you ready for Paragon?